Hello and welcome to RDX Goa News Bulletin with me Vidhi. Let's take a look on today's headlines. The culprits behind the attack on Vishnu Suryawagh are not arrested. The national highway from GMC to Akshay Bridge will be blocked. MLA Vishnu Wagh supporters. Political leaders condemn the attack done on MLA Vishnu Suryawagh. We will not allow Ram Sena Party to be established in the state. Youth Congress Party. MLA Vishnu Wagh taking medical examination in GMC after the attack. Now the news in details. If the culprit behind the attack on Vishnu Suryawagh are not arrested, the national highway from GMC to Akshay Bridge will be blocked, warned MLA Vishnu Wagh supporters. This decision was taken by all the Vishnu supporters at the meeting which was held at Azad Maidan. Thivim MLA Kiran Kandolkar also clarified that he is not involved in this incident and strict action should be initiated soon.
आमदाराचे सपोर्टर आज आशा इल्या to voice their grievances against the government. ही जोरी तरी आमदाराक जो तरी मारूंक शकतात बारीक लोकांक त्रास आगाय म्हणून. Demand is that action should be taken totally in total. All those people should be arrested, should remain in, and should be seen that it remain inside like how Tejpal is. Very clear.
जरी तर इतलो तू कापास आणि इतली गुंडागिरी कोण असं जाल्यार आमकां दी इन्व्हिटेशन आम्ही येत आहेत थिवी कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन तुझे करूया गुंडागिरी आणि दाखोवया गोंयच्या सरकाराक हे गुंडाचे राज म्हणून.
एक मेसेज दिवंक सोदता की हो किरण कांदोळकर कोण तो तुका अजून खबर ना. हो किरण कांदोळकरान जेन्ना फोन केले आमच्या MLAक आनीक सांगले तुका आमी ब्लॅक फ्लॅग दाखयतले म्हणून. सो हाका डेरिंग नासलें येवन ब्लॅक फ्लॅग दाखोवपाक. आमचो MLA थंय गेल्लो कित्याक लागून एक कल्चरल प्रोग्राम करपाक लागून. तुमी जाणा आमचो MLA हो कालाकडे चेअरमॅन ताच्यानी आख्ख्या गोंयांत भोंवंक शकता आनी ताका वेळ ना. आनी तुमी जाणा चडशीं भजन कीर्तनां जी आमची आसता फंक्शनां जी चडशीं सकाळची बेगीन आसता नाल्यार सांजची लेट असतात. आज तर ह्या MLA जो BJPचोच MLA आसा ताका प्रोटेक्शन तुका दिवंक शकना. एक्चुअली किरण कांदोळकरान ताका ब्लॅक फ्लॅग म्हणच्या पयले केस करूंक जाल्यार ताका वयल्यान प्रोटेक्शन दिवंक जाय आसलें. बाबा अशें करनाका म्हणून.
हांव थिवी मतदारसंघातलो आमदार ह्या नात्यान ह्या सगळ्या कृत्याचो निषेध करता. विष्णू वाघाक कोणी तरी मिसगायड केल्लो आसा. म्हज्यान म्हणूं येता की आमचे जे विरोधक आसात ह्या विरोधकांनी विष्णू वाघाक मिसगायड केला आनी ह्या हल्ल्या फाटसूनय आमचे विरोधकच आहा. कारण हे म्हज्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन घडलेलें आहा. म्हाजेर आरोप लागलेलो आहा. हितून तरर इन्क्वायरी करची CM होम मिनिस्टर आसलेल्या कारणान आनी सत्य कितें तें भायर काडचें लोकां मुखार येवचें ही म्हजी मागणी आसा.
Congress party has condemned the attack done to Vishnu Suryawagh late Thursday evening. This type of incident has occurred first time in Goa. All the leaders moved from Congress to BJP party should be alert, said Congress party. Congress party president John Fernandez has requested the chief minister to look onto this matter. BJP party is responsible for this attack, alleged Nationalist Congress party. Porvaram MLA Rohan Kaute, Youth Congress President Valanka Alamau and President of Samajwadi Party Goa, Block Rohida Shirodkar also condemned the attack.
But what happened last night is highly reprehensible and we take strong objection and strongly condemn the incident of the assault on the Honorable MLA in public. I request the Honorable Chief Minister not to betray the trust and the mandate reposed by the people of Goa in him and not to impose another midterm election on the people of Goa or either force the government to impose president's rule in Goa.
काल जो इन्सिडेंट जालो आणि ती ऑलरेडी केस लॉन्च केल्या सांगूंक सोदता की ही जी गुंडागिरी दादागिरी जो लोकल आमदार जो आहा किरण कांदोळकर आमदार निवडून येवच्या पयलीं पासून आहा आनी आजुनूय ती चालू आहा. हे सगळें जावन सुद्दां जेन्ना तो इलेक्ट जालो तेन्ना म्हाज्या कार्यकर्त्याक तेन्ना घरा कडेन जे बायले भुरग्यांचेर बीन फुगड्यो बिगड्यो उडयली ती पासून केस म्हापशा रजिस्टर आहा. हो जन्माचे गुण तेजे.
One thing has become clear, that the growth of the NCP party, which only the Home Minister can know through reports, has sent shivers in the spine of the BJP party and the BJP government. It is in this regard the NCP condemns the murderous attack on the BJP MLA itself, Vishnu Wagh.
We condemn first and foremost the incident which has happened on my colleague Vishnu Wagh. जे तरेन जे घडला आणि जे तरेन जाल्ली गोष्ट आसा, this is a wrong type of a thing going to the people at large. MLAs are elected representatives of the people, and some people, cheap-minded people I would say, taking law in their own hands and trying to do some particular nuisance or trying to break the vehicle, trying to assault Vishnu, I think it's done in a very bad taste. I strongly demand कि जैसे तेजपाल नाला many more cases are, जैसे SIT government has immediately formed team which was formed to investigate, a special investigating team. I demand that a special investigating team immediately be deployed by the government to see who are the people involved and why it has happened.
Serious call, and what I'm trying to say is there is no law and order in Goa at all. The crime rate has increased to what level everybody knows. We are all scared. Even MLA of the running government can be hit. आमगे आनी किती आहा. So हे सगळ्यां चिंतपाक जाय, जेन्ना एक तुगे रनिंग MLA इतू मार घाता आनी कोण मुठ कोणा खबर ना जाल्यार where is law and order? Where is law and order in this state? And no action. कितें जावं आम सगळे मनीस कांय घेयनासता येताय, कांय घेयनासता वयताय, but safety is a priority and Goa is known for safety. So I think this is something which the government has to completely look into, and we cannot tolerate this kind of.
विष्णू सारखे मनशाक जो विष्णू अख्खे गोंय आणि महाराष्ट्रा सुद्धा प्रिय आसा, ताजे आमदारकी खातीर न्ही, तो एक कलाकार म्हणून तो प्रिय आसा. आणि आज सगळे आमच्या कलाकारांक दुःख जाता. एक बहुजन समाजाचो जो मनीस एक वयर सरता आणि कोणा न आयकता आपले विचार मांडटा, हे कोणाक तरी खटकता अशें तरी दिसता. विचार करपाक जाय बाबा हें चलना तें कितें चलना. आज एका आमदाराक जर मारपेट जालो, एका कलाकाराक मारपेट जालो जाल्यार सादी मनशाच्या गोंयांत कांय येना, शाश्वती ना.
A rally was removed by Youth Congress from Kadamba bus stand to Secretariat Council in protest against the establishment of Ram Sena party in the state. They even submitted a memorandum to the Chief Secretary in the absence of the Chief Minister by asking immediate close down of Ram Sena party office in the state. Sanjay Monali reports from Panjim.
आज एक जालें कित्याक सगळ्यांक कळ्ळां की राम सेना ऑफिशियल declaration, they had taken a press meet on 4th of December saying that they are opening the Ram Sena office in January. After speaking to all the students and the youth and mostly all the people of Goa, nobody wants Ram Sena in Goa. When our last government was there, Congress government, our Home Minister Mr. Ravi Naik had totally declared and had denied and restricted the entry of Ram Sena in Goa. So we don't understand, when the people of Goa don't want Ram Sena, why is the present government even allowing the Ram Sena to come? That's why all these people have come out. आज एक agitation है चला, एक protest कि तुम तोरी by 10th January एक memorandum आम घेनेली. Chief Minister Adip and Chief Secretary. Chief Minister he out of station and Chief Secretary and पावता, so आम रावताय Chief Secretary येलपुऱ्यान. आम clearly a memorandum आम बुरयलो आहा कि by 10th January आम reply जाय कि तुम राम सेना ऑफिसिंग बंद कोताय. कारण कितें राम सेना ऑफिस बंद करपा? राम सेना म्हळ्यार भुरग्यांक, एक बायल मनशाक आनी सगळ्यांक त्रास करपाचे. आमकां आमगे गोंयांत जे पळय हिंदू, मुस्लीम, कॅथलीक, सीख भाव आमी सगळे एकवटान भोंवताय, आमकां रिलिजना नांवान आमगे गोंय झगडी नाकाय. गोंय म्हळ्यार द बेस्ट ट्युरिजम स्पॉट, गोंय म्हळ्यार सेफ्टी, गोंय म्हळ्यार पीस. सो एश कोन एसो other forces, external forces, communal forces like Ram Sena are not required in a peaceful state like Goa.
More news will follow after a short commercial break.
जी फुलां काल देवाच्या पांयाकडे आशिल्ली, त्या फुलांनी आज तू त्याच देवाची भुई वाडटा. उदकान उडयल्ले प्लास्टीक आमच्यो दर्यादेगो पळय कितले बुरश्यो करता.
ही माती लागता मोजी माय, म्हाका तिची अपूर्वाय. कुडी येताना देवाक चांगलेले पिका राखतलो कुडी येताना देवाक चांगलेले पिका राखतलो.
Under Goa Non-Biodegradable Garbage Control Act 1996, littering of public places with garbage shall be punished with imprisonment for a term of which may extend to a month, or with fine which may extend to ₹5,000, or with both. Persons in possession of unlabeled and or plastic carry bags less than 40 microns shall be prosecuted under Environment Protection Act 1986.
हांव सांबाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबाळटलो.
Presenting Goa's biggest family restaurant and bar. A well-defined ambiance that suits every age. Serving authentic Goan and multi-cuisine. A perfect place to celebrate every remarkable moment. Your all-time hunger satisfied here. Casa Bosque, above Cafe Bosle, near National Theatre, Panaji, Goa.
Lucky Enterprises Wholesale and Retail Shop. Designer sarees, designer salwar kameez, salwar suits, kurti, leggings, nighty and cotton collection.
Shop number 1 and 2, Sweet Home Symphony, near New Railway Bridge, Margam, Goa. Contact 9158057860, 9673497222. Lucky Enterprises.
Uncle's Kitchen, Chinese and multi-cuisine, one-up lounge bar at Amonkar's Boutique Hotel. Let's celebrate Christmas with a difference. Unlimited dinner buffet on 25th December for just ₹499. Food only. Special wines at discounted rates.
Be the lucky one to dine with us for the Christmas and get chance to win an exciting prize. Amonkar's Boutique Hotel, DB Bandorkar Road, Miramar, Panjim.
For reservations, call 0832-246-5018. Boutique Hotel.
Allah Bali.
ईश्वर दर्शन ट्रस्ट तुमच्या मुखार प्रस्तुत करता महानाट्य सबका मालिक एक है. 182 कलाकार, 6000 चौरस फुटांचे 2 मजली भव्य नेपथ्य आणि म्होवाळ संगीतान नटलेली प्राणप्रिय साईबाबाच्या चरित्राचेर आधारलेली महान नाट्यकृती सबका मालिक एक है. महाराष्ट्रान गर्दीचो विश्व विक्रम स्थापित करपी हे महानाट्य आता म्हापसा शारान श्री बोडगेश्वर देवाच्या आंगणान 25 डिसेंबर ते 29 डिसेंबर मेरेन सद्दां सांजेच्या 7 वरांचेर.
सोबीत दिसचें अशें कोणाक दिसना. भांगार सोबीतकाय वाडयता. भांगार आनी रुप्या वस्ती खातीर साळकार ज्वेलर्स, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. भांगार म्हारग जाला? येव नाकात. गोल्ड प्लेटेड कांकणां, पाटली, पिचोडी तोडे घेयात. वैभव ज्वेलर्स, साळकार ज्वेलर्सा सामकार, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. हांगा क्रिस्टल माळो आणि हैदराबादी मोतयाय मेळटा. एकदा येयात आणि धादोशी जायात. साळकार ज्वेलर्स.
Welcome back. Sant Andhra MLA and Kalai Academy chairperson Vishnu Suryavag was manhandled and assaulted late Thursday evening at Revora. Vishnu Suryavag's car was stopped on the way at Revora and attacked by 50 unknown people. The group of people who attacked MLA are not yet arrested. Later, he was taken for medical examination at Goa Medical College. People around the state are disturbed. Gautam Shirodkar reports from Mapsa.
I have declared my full-fledged support for my MP. I have declared my stand clearly regarding MOI issue. I have declared my stand clearly against several other problems that are facing the state. And I have been very vocal. I don't do it behind. I don't say one thing on somebody's face and then when he turns back, I don't say the other thing. I maintain what my idea is. I maintain what my stand is. Okay? Here, maybe I have put the party to some awkward positions because I have raised some issues. But raising issues is my duty as an MLA. Okay, when people meet me, they tell me, we are very proud of you, Baba. Because we are raising these issues, we are very proud of you. Not only people from the north, even people from the south, they tell me, we are behind you. You keep on saying something.
Kepe police on Wednesday evening conducted a raid at Ambaulim in Kepe and recovered explosives, which were stored in a room in front of a house. Police have arrested Mohidin Kunni and house owner Zuzi Fernandez in this connection. PI of Kepe Police Station Ram Asre said they have arrested a person under Explosive Substance Act and that large number of explosives have been seized. Police also found 500 detonators, gunny sacks stuffed with wires, safety fuse and other explosives. The person arrested is basically from Bhatkal, Karnataka. Therefore, he can have connection with Yasin Bhatkal. Akshay Savaldekar reports from Kepe.
Yesterday we had received a reliable information that one person by name Eugene Fernandez, resident of Poplarabad, Ambaulim, is in the illegal possession of explosive substances. Accordingly, we laid the trap and conducted the raid and found in the possession of the accused persons the explosive substances, that is 86 and half bags, that is 4,330 kg of ammonium nitrate and 1,493 something it is this in fuse wire and 500 detonators from the storeroom of the said Eugene Fernandez, and caught the red-handed, the accused Eugene Fernandez and his associate Mohidin Kunhi, a resident of Vasco, native of Karnataka, while handling the ammonium nitrate bags. All these articles are seized under the Panchanama, and the offence has been registered under section 4, 5 and 6 of Explosive Substances Act and section 15 of Unlawful Activities Prevention Act 1967, read with 34 IPC. Till now they have not disclosed anything as such, why such a huge quantity of explosive substance was brought by them here in Goa and stored at such a place. We are further investigating and trying to find out the purpose for what it was brought.
Geronimo Brito, a tenant of Ashway Mandrim, has complained of illegal construction and renting of premises in CRZ area of Francis Brito. According to the complaint, Francis Brito has rented the premises to a non-Goan despite of the matter being in session and tribunal court. Geronimo Brito has further alleged that the local panchayat is postponing the inspection dates to avoid inspection. Vinod Mehta reports from Mandrim for RDX Goa.
बायलान दिसते आता हाडायला दाखोवपाक आनी जेन्ना ते आमी कोणे गेला फ्रांसान गेला फ्रांसीस ब्रिटो वच तो एक केशीन आहा पळय तो त्याने पांयाच्या नांगार आपल्या पावर हेटांनी घेतली. फ्रांसीस ब्रिटो म्हणटा तो हो 3 जाणांनी फायल केल्ली. श्री आलेक्स मारियन ब्रिटो हेजो चेडो तो तेणें पॉवर ऑफ हेटर्नी पांया लागच्यान घेतली. आपणाच्यान तुजी केस पळोवंक जाता, आपणाच्यान इकतें घेवंक जाता, आपणाच्यान तें इकूंकूय जाता. पांयक तेणें कांयच धरूंक ना. हो पांयक तेणें फटयला आनी एक भाव आहा तेकाय तो कांय करूंक गेना.
ह्या जमनीचो तूं कोण? ह्या जमनीचो तूं कोण?
आमी हे टॅनन्सी केस दिसता. हय हे मारिया पास्केन म्हणटा पळय. म्हाजें नांव जेरोनिमो ब्रिटो. मारिया पास्केन म्हणटा पळय तो चेडो आहा पळय हांगार हाजेर ते हेजेर आहा. तेची पावर ऑफ हेटर्नी म्हाका आहा. ही आमची केस 91 फायल केल्ली. फ्रांसीस ब्रिटो म्हणटा तो तेचो पांयक तेणें हेट केल्लो केसीचो आमचे. आनीक 96 तेणें एकल्यानूच ती विड्रॉ केली पार्टी. 2 पार्ट्यो भितर उरल्यो केसीन. ती आमी कंटिन्यू केली आनी ती केस आजुनूय आमी झगडटा. स्टे मागीर आमकां स्टे मेवली. फोटो काडले आमी हांगासर हेचे बांदकाम करतना आनी आमकां स्टे मेवली. आमच्या मामलेदाराची ऑर्डर मेवली आमकां. तेचे उपरांत तेणी डेप्युटी कलेक्टराक अर्ज केलो आनी डेप्युटी कलेक्टराक तेणी मागणी केली ही सारकी ना म्हणून. डेप्युटी कलेक्टरान तो हल्लो थंयसर ती आमच्याच खबर ना.
More news will follow after a short commercial break.
Established in 1974, the Pride of Goa Hotel Fidalgo, situated in the heart of Panjim city on 18 June Road, offers 4-star luxury. Live in style at lavishly designed rooms at affordable rates. 103 elegant rooms with the Fidalgo Food Enclave. Well-equipped venues for banquets and conferences with 6 halls to choose from. Escape from hectic schedules and pamper yourself at the health spa. Combining business with pleasure, Hotel Fidalgo.
Uncle's Kitchen, Chinese and multi-cuisine restaurant. After a 27-year service in Mumbai, now at Amonkar's Boutique Hotel, Miramar, Goa. Also One-Up Lounge Bar, serving Indian and foreign beverages with dancing lights and DJ music.
Link Point, advertising, communication, designing.
Offers for audio-visual production support.
Advertisement, films.
Corporate profile.
Documentary.
Weddings, conference recordings.
Audio recordings and dubbing.
Making of features and short films.
Shooting, equipment hire.
Call 9850089429.
750-7390960.
हांव सांबाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबाळतलो
राखपा गोंयची सोबीतकाय कोण वावुरतलो
ही माती लागता म्हजी माय म्हाका तिची आपुरबाय
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो हांव सांबाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबाळतलो
आमच्या भोंवतणी एकठांय जावपी गार्बेजीक आनी कोणूच न्हय आमीच रिस्पॉन्सिबल आसतात
घुसपट जमनीची जाल्यार कोण रिजवतलो
नितळसाणीन रावप हो आमचो अधिकार आसा पण त्याच बरोबर ती आमची गरज आनी जबाबदारी आसा
हांव सांबाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबाळतलो
राखपा गोंयची सोबीत काय कोण वावुरतलो
ही माती लागता म्हजी माय म्हाका तिची आपुरबाय
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो कुडीन येताना देवाक चांगलेले पिका राखतलो.
Welcome back. Nagesh Maharudra Natya Sanstha of Nageshi bagged the first prize in 12th All Goa Konkani Drama Competition organized by Sankalp Theatres, Kutsorim. The winning group has been awarded the cash prize of Rs 15,000 along with the Meghashyam Nayak Rolling Trophy. Gulmohar and Devichi Rakhand bagged the second and the third prize respectively. Deeprat Sorstar bagged the prize for the best writer. Akshay Savardekar reports from Kutsorim for RDX Goa.
म्हाका वेळ जातालो तरी पूण त्या प्रोग्रामार हांवें कट मारलो. आमी काही गोश्टींनी कांयच शिकना. आमी शिकपाक जाय सादी गोश्टी. अश्यो भायल्यान वता एक चलये कडेन म्हाका गुलाब दिश्टी पडलो. काही गोश्टी ह्या तरिकाक करून गुलाबा कडेन आमी कितें शिकतले. गुलाबा कडेन आमी शिकचें पडटा. अरे बरोबर कांटे आसा जाल्यार सुद्दां त्या कांट्यान सुद्दां तूं जगपाक शीक. हे गुलाब शिकयता. ती रातराणी रातची फुलता काळखान फुलता. पण रातराणी कडेन आमी शिकपाक जाय काळखान भिनाका. काळखान सुद्दां तुका फुलपाक येता फूल ही रातराणी शिकयता. त्या कमळा कडेन बीजेपीची न्ही त्या कमळा कडेन आमी कितें शिकपाक जाय. त्या चिखलान सुद्दां रुतलें जाल्यार सुद्दां फुलता. तें फुलपाक शीक तें कमळ शिकयता.
12 वर्सां हे 12वें वर्स ते नाटक स्पर्धा करता कोंकणी नाटक स्पर्धा आनी स्पर्धेंत खुबशीं बरी नाटकां आमकां पळोवंक मेळटा. हांव राजूबाबाक आनी तेजी एंटायर टीम कित्याक फोकल पॉयंट राजूबाब म्हणटा पूण ती एंटायर टीम जी आसा ती बरें काम करता. आतां तुमी पळयलां की आमचे चेतना चॅरिटेबल ट्रस्ट तितून हांव एक एडवायजरी मेंबर म्हणून आसा आनी तें स्वप्न म्हाका दिसता आमी सगळ्यांनी पुराय करपाक जाय.
पयल्याच फावट एक बरो प्रयत्न केल्लो तशेंच आमच्या सगळ्या भुरग्यांक हांव काळजांतल्यान देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. कित्याक पयल्याच फावट हांवें जे नवे कलाकारांक घेवन जें नाटक घडयलें तेणी सार्थक केलें म्हाज्या प्रयत्नाक यश दिलें. कारण सगळे नवे भुरगे आशिल्ले तरी आसतना म्हाका जितलो परफॉर्मन्स जाय जितली चॅलेंज आशिल्ली एक चॅलेंजूच म्हणपाक जाय तिणें तें सार्थक केलें. आनी पयल्याच फावट म्हाजी एक स्वतंत्र स्क्रिप्ट जन्माक आयली. तिका पयल्याच फावट पयलीं इनाम मेळ्ळा म्हणून अमाना काळजांत खूब खुशी आसा. आनी ही जी धांवपळ आसा ही उत्सुकता आसा मनान स्क्रिप्ट बरोवपाची तिका खऱ्या अर्थान आयच्यान एक चालना मेळ्ळा. ही अशीच फुडें चलत उरतली अशें हांव सांगता.
All India Open FIDE Rated Rapid Chess Tournament 2013 will be held on 21st and 22nd December at DSYA Kepe Sports Complex. This tournament is organized in collaboration with Kepe Taluka Chess Association and Navyug Vikas Manch Kepe Goa. Kepe MLA Babu Kavlekar gave more information. Akshay Savardekar reports from Kepe.
Chess competition पहिल्याच पावटी नवी विकास मंच आमच्या चेस असोसिएशन आमच्या केपेच्या यांच्या जोड पावलांनी मोठ्या प्रमाणात जे आयोजन आम्ही केल्लें आसा ताची तयारी खूब 2 म्हयन्यापासून तयारी चालू जाल्ली आनी आयज ऑलमोस्ट तयारी कंप्लीट जाल्या. फाल्यां साकून सुरवात जाता. 21 आनी 22 तारखेक हे कॉम्पिटिशन जातलें. प्लेयर्स ऑलरेडी गोंयांत पावल्ले आसात. लगभग 500च्या आसपास प्लेयर्स हांगा येवपाचे आसात. खुबशे 300चे व 350 350 एंट्री ऑलरेडी जाल्ली आसा. म्हणजे इतलो मोठो हो चेस टोर्नामेंट आमी घडोवन हाडटात आमच्या केप्यां स्पोर्ट्स कॉम्प्लेक्सात जेणे करून आमच्या केप्यां तालुक्यांतली भुरगीं तांकां प्रोत्साहन मेळचें. गोंयच्या भुरग्यांक प्रोत्साहन मेळचें. कित्याक जेन्ना भारताची सगळीं भुरगीं येतात आमचे हांगा येतात किंवा काही बाकीचे कंट्रीची सुद्दां भुरगीं येतात तेंचे खेळ पळोवपाक आनी त्या खेळांतल्यान प्रोत्साहन मेळपा खातीर आमची जी लोकल भुरगीं असतात ते पळोवन
Before we wind up, here's the recap of the headlines. The culprits behind the attack on Vishnu Suryavag are not arrested. Then National Highway from GMC to Akshay Bridge will be blocked. MLA Vishnu Vag supporters. Political leaders condemn the attack done on MLA Vishnu Suryavag. We will not allow Ram Sena Party to be established in the state. Youth Congress Party. MLA Vishnu Vag taking medical examination in GMC after the attack. This news bulletin ends here. To follow the recent news and activities, keep watching RDX Goa. You can also watch the news on www.rdxgoa.com as well as on YouTube. Goodbye.